What's up, guys? It's Josh here. Now, on this project that has been ongoing now, this in Eyen project. Now, for this project, a lot of persons don't really understand what the project is all about, and I promise to. I'm going to do an explanation on the project. Now, if you know, if you are mining G, uh, I won't say they are kind of. It is similar to G. No, not at all. I won't say that because for this project there are tasks you have to carry out, and in these tasks you might have to work as a team or you might have to work um, on individual base. Now let's look at what I simply mean. If you're looking at this, you have to work alone here for the NFTs. Here you have to work alone here for the NFTs. Then if you come over to this point, you have to work as a team. Then also when you come over here, you have to work as a team. So you need to work 3 persons. Now, if peradventure you want to join this team, when you click on this particular place called group, you click on group, you click on join. If it is active, you're going to see something like my NFT here. You're going to see something like my NFT here. You click on it, you join. Then you get a code for you to share to somebody else for the persons to join. Now I've already carried out my task for today, and when I was doing mine, I was just doing it alone. Okay, now I think I'll click on this particular point. If this is where I did my own task, let's see if it is this. Yeah, this is it. I did my own task here. I worked alone for 1 hour and I got my reward unlocked. So I'll just go and check. Let's check if my reward has been is ready for me to unlock. Now it's not ready. Okay, it's not ready. I'm still on what? On VP1. Let's check my my income so far. So I've gotten what? 44 $44. You see, $44. I've earned the icon of 166 of the token. Now what am I doing? How am I getting this coin? I simply come over here by, let's say my time is still counting. If you see here, my time is still counting here, so I cannot carry out the tax on any of the NFT tax or join any of the group because I've already done mine for today. You get, I've already done mine for today, and my reward have been added to my wallet, so I cannot come over here to carry out any other tax. I've already unlocked my reward. Now let's go back to this particular point here. Now you can create a group. If you want to create a group, you're definitely going to need a code. Now this code is going to be given to you by somebody. All you have to do is you paste the code here, you confirm, and you go. Then for this point, for the, let's say for these particular areas where you see co-worker. Now if peradventure there is a task for you to join here on the NFT, there's an NFT for you to join. You click on this group, you're going to share your code like I did that some time ago. You can see I've worked here in my NFT. I've already claimed my wage, my 100% wage. I had to share the code with somebody else to join because they needed 3 persons to do that. So they needed 3 persons to do that, so I cannot. So I'm just trying to explain here. So it all depends on the team. So whenever you want to join, you have to ensure you look if there is a co-worker here. This is a group. You need to work 3 persons. Once the 3 persons are complete, you can go for that to unlock your profit. And now don't forget that the duration of the tax will affect the amount you are going to be getting, because like for this point you see what they call set is 3 days. So you see what you are going to be getting, all right, for the 3 days, for 3 of you that are going to be working in that particular NFT, because you guys are going to be 3. Then for here you see, for this point you see 2 hours. Then for these 2 hours you are going to be what 3 also. So this is your what the profit you are also going to be what to be getting. Then for this particular point, you see that it is 1 hour, and look at how your profit is going to come, and it's going to be what alone you alone working. There's no co-worker here, it's just you. So immediately join this kind of group like I did. I think when I joined here, it was just me alone working in this particular point in time. I just clicked on the NFT, I confirmed. Then after the time elapsed, it was just 1 hour like they stated here. After the 1 hour, they stated here, I came back and I unlocked my reward, and my reward was added to my to my to my wallet So I've worked. There is no tax here, there is no NFT here. So if peradventure there is no NFT on any of these groups, you can decide to ask somebody that needs a co-worker. Let's say the person needs a co-worker. You can tell the person to share codes with you. So once they share codes with you, you can just come over to this point. You put in the code that is sent to you. Then you confirm. Then you join that particular group. So when the co-workers are complete, like when you're having 3 here, then when the time has elapsed, you just keep watching at the time. When it elapses, you come back depending on which of the rooms, which of the tags, you unlock your reward. Then after that, you can come over to this point. You will see that your reward will appear in a portion of this. It will appear in this particular area. It will appear in this particular area for you to claim. So I still have about 9 hours before I'm going to work on any of the NFTs. Okay. Then another thing I want to talk about is moving from one VP to another. You can see currently I'm in VP1. Now, if you know you have registered just 3 persons, you don't need to register again. Because that was the mistake I made. If you see currently now, I am having about 14 persons so far have used my link, and only 7 are active. You can see that number 5 here, number 6, number 7, from number 5 downwards here, none of these persons have used their link to register anyone. None of them. So what I need to do is, I'll just need to, if I have a prospect that want to register, I will have to use any of these persons that are here. I will have to use their link, so that once these persons move, these 2 are already on VP1. This one is not yet on any of the VPs. So if these 2 persons can go to VP1, I'll be going to VP2. So it's more like a networking stuff. Alright, it's more like a networking stuff. So once you have registered 3 persons, let your 3 persons register their own 3 persons. Now if your downlines sorry for the call, if your downlines are on VP1, you will be on VP2, provided you have registered your 3 persons and your 3 persons get their 3 persons. So you have to ensure that you work as a team. Those ones that you registered, let them register their own 3 persons. Then you guys can work as a team. Then you go for that getting more reward. I'm on VP1. My NFT wage is just plus 2%. Now if you can see what is being stated here, if I have 3 friends on VP1, I'm going to VP2. So my next target is VP2 NFTs, which means my reward is going to be getting higher. So for this particular area, once you register 3 persons, don't try to register more. Let them get their 3 persons. Everybody get their 3 persons. Then your earnings goes higher. Then for this particular area, you can see, like, I come over here like for that particular area, I always come just like the video. Sometimes I just like and comment, then I just go. I don't really know what this particular area is all about, but if you are doing G, if you are mining G, so it's just similar to that. You just like If you want to comment, you comment. Then this is the main key area here, which is this particular point, working on the NFT group. So ensure you work on the NFT group, and know whenever you are joining, if you require three persons to work. If you are number one, share the code so that two persons can join, and you can go and unlock your reward. Then you can also, for this particular area, try to what, build a team. Your downlines, if you have registered your three persons, they should be able to also what, register their three persons. Once they register their three persons, you move upwards. Everybody is moving what, upwards. Then this is where you get your reward what, be added. This is more like, I've just done this for, I think this is my 5th day on this. I've gotten $44 already. So you see, don't joke with this project. So ensure you subscribe to this channel so that you get back-to-back update on the crypto space. Don't forget, Syndra is trending. A lot of persons are having challenges with Syndra KYC. I want to do a very logical video on how you can do that, because people have been trying it, but they are failing the Syndra KYC. But I think there's a logic behind it, which I'm going to do a video on that soon. So ensure you subscribe to this channel, and don't miss, so you don't miss other projects I'm going to be dropping. Thank you.